Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from TradingClan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for tomorrow. So tomorrow is our expiry day, so we should be very careful with our trades. There is a high probability for even good winning, even good losing also. So if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and please click the bell icon for further notification. Let me move on to the Bank Nifty predictions first. So first we will redefine our levels, support levels and resistance levels. And the support levels, it seems it's okay, and we will just again redefine our resistance levels. The reason is already it's touched the resistance level, so we need to be redefine what would be the next level. Also we need to redefine. So here I am going to redefine my resistance level. I am going to revisit my resistance level, and what could be the possible ways I am going to do it now. So let us have a close look on our levels, and we will make the pivot points connecting together to make our resistance line. I feel that there are two resistance is coming up. The first resistance is I am going to draw now. So this is the second resistance. So once it's break the first resistance, right now I'm making the first resistance. Once this resistance getting breakout, then we have to look for our second resistance. So right now I'm going to mark the second resistance also, so containing these pivot points. So the market today has touched the resistance level and it's not broken out, so still the first resistance is valid. We need to see the market tomorrow, and based on that we can take a call. Then we will have a look at the closer look on this past 2 days. I feel that there is a very good bias came into the market. I am going to encircle that bias. We can see the very good power candle over here in these two places. So yesterday also there is a very good buying pressure came into the market, and today too. These two candles are indicating there is already very good bias came into the market. These are very good power candles, so actively buyers are participating in the market. This power range candle is very important. We have to pay attention to this. Let me have a look on another view for this past 2 days. Just I will erase this power candles. Okay, look at the yesterday. There were very good buying pressure came into the market, but when it's reached the our resistance levels, the market is not possible to hit break other levels. It's get consolidated over here, and after that there is no buying pressure, and it's again falls down. Buyers are trying to resist our break our resistance line, but they failed. This was the thing happened yesterday. They fighted with our resistance line, but they couldn't break. And again, this is the first scenario. We have to note it, this first scenario, and right now we will go for the second scenario. Just we will erase the first one, and we will look for today also. Look at the today's market. Again the falling is not yet happened. That means we have to understand this. Again the buyers are fighting to hit our resistance line, and they couldn't break. They have broken the resistance line, but afterwards there is a sort of buying, and so they return back to inside. Here in the past 2 days, the buyers are trying very hardly to break our resistance line, but it was very good resistance line, because 2 times it hit and it pushed the market down. But I feel that there is a very good pressure again in the market in the buying side, so there is a high possible for breaking in the next time. We have to wait and see that tomorrow what will happen in this exactly in this resistance area. There may be a chance for pulling down the market to hit this support line also, and we need to see the behavior of the market, I mean the direction of the market, and we can fine tune our predictions, and we will update in our WhatsApp group. But personally I feels that there is a very good buyers already came in the market, so they will try to push the market in upside. Most probably they may break this resistance level by tomorrow. Once this resistance line getting breaked, we can enter our trade in buying side. And there may be some other possibilities also. I'm going to draw now. I feel that the market will go in upside only, but maybe it will get some retrace and it can go in upside. So we will keep our buying place near to this area if it is getting retrace. This is only for retrace case. If it is getting retrace, we can keep the buying levels about 35,450 is 35,450. Maybe till that the market will come down, and there it will get support and it may go upside again. There is a high possibilities for this thing can happen, and near to that bottom side we can keep our stop loss very closer to the entry level. 35,395 we can keep it as our stop loss. Market, I am going to draw the market flow. This may happen like this. This is possible in the upcoming days or weeks. Maybe within next week this is possible. Within next expiry I feel this is possible. I strongly believe in the longer time frame the market definitely it will break the resistance level and it will move further. Okay, let us go to this scenario. If the market moves like this, our entry point would be in the indicated area. After the downfall, then it get consolidated, then it moves upside, means we can have a very good entry. We have to do like this. When we have to see the market directions, then only we have an entry point. The second scenario, market with tomorrow morning itself market can break our resistance line and it can move further and hit our target. The target we can keep it as 36,000, maybe within 3 to 4 trading days. That is possible. So I'm not looking for the market will come in downside because of this two buying very good buying pressure candles. But anything can happen in the market. If it is not going to our favor, then we have to revisit the entries. Then we will update in our WhatsApp group and we will take our positions. However, we predict also we need to see the real market and the behavior of the directions. Then we can go align with the market flow direction. Whether maybe in put or whether maybe in call, we have to align with the market direction. So always we have to keep our we have to keep our stop loss levels. 35,395 we can keep our stop loss levels, and entry almost try to enter near our stop loss level is very good. So why I am keeping the stop loss level in this area is because of this buying pressure candles in yesterday and today also. So there is possibilities for market will come to near this area and it can go up further in the second case. In the first case it can break and it can move further. Once it's break we can have an entry. So this is the predictions for tomorrow for Bank Nifty. Let's see the behavior for tomorrow and we will update. Then we will move on to the Nifty predictions. Let me open the Nifty in our trading view window with 45 minutes time frame chart. Here slightly I also changed my resistance line. You can see here from yesterday's level, just I redefined the resistance level, but support line I have kept as the same like that. Right now the market is above the support line, so there is high probable for hitting our resistance line. I'm not to say there is a possibilities for retracement before touching the resistance line. So Nifty will go further high and it will touch our resistance. That was my expectation. See here, I have marked the area. There is a very good buying pressure candle is appear. That means already the buyers are in the market. Not buying pressure, buyers already they participated in the market. Most probably they will tomorrow also they will lift the market to, definitely they will hit, there is high possibilities to hit our levels, that is 15,850. maybe later on we will market that levels. I am expecting the market will go in upside with two possible ways. So I will going to draw the possible ways. The market will may get retrace like this, and it will get consolidated, and again it will go in upside. That is one possible way. Within this thing happen within maybe 1 or 2 days. This is one of the possible way. Then second way is from without retracement, the market can go and hit our resistance lines and it will get retraced a bit. That is also possible. So these two scenarios may happen by tomorrow. That's what my predicting. The first one is it will go in upside and it will can hit the target line, and the second scenario it can get retrace and it will go in upside. In the both cases the market always I am looking for the market will go in upside only. Let's see what will happen tomorrow in the real-time market. We will see the market and we can research our directions. For target is 15,900 is possible. Let us conclude our predictions. There is a possible for up move to hit 36,000 and it can get down by 35,000 is also possible. For Nifty 15,900 is possible. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.